Hey everyone, and covering all the key aspects you requested. Hey everyone, MZ Car Club. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, a high-performance SUV that blends luxury, speed, and practicality like no other. Let's check out its interior, exterior, pricing, safety, performance, and overall features to see if this beast is worth it. Interior design. Step inside the Cayenne Turbo GT, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit wrapped in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather. The 14-way sport seats offer superb support, and Porsche's latest infotainment system features a 12.3-inch touchscreen, Bose or Burmester sound system, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The rear seats are sporty yet comfortable, and there's plenty of space for a luxury performance SUV. Exterior design. The 2025 Cayenne Turbo GT is all about aggressive styling and aerodynamics. Up front, you get a redesigned bumper with larger air intakes, while the carbon fiber roof, rear diffuser, and fixed rear wing enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The 21-inch lightweight GT wheels wrapped in Pirelli P0 tires complete the performance-oriented look. The quad exhaust tips at the back scream performance, making sure this SUV stands out. Pricing. The 2025 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT starts at around $190,000, making it one of the most expensive performance SUVs on the market. With optional carbon ceramic brakes, custom paint, and an upgraded audio system, you could be looking at over $200,000 for a fully loaded model. Safety features. Porsche ensures that the Cayenne Turbo GT isn't just fast but also safe. It comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, Porsche Inner Drive with predictive navigation, 360-degree camera system, night vision assist, collision and pedestrian detection. With these features, you get both performance and peace of mind. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Cayenne Turbo GT packs a 4.0L twin-turbo version 8, pushing out an insane 650-plus horsepower and 635 pound-feet of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the planet. The 8-speed Tiptronic S transmission delivers seamless shifts, while the active suspension and all-wheel drive provide razor-sharp handling. The carbon ceramic brakes ensure precise stopping power, making this SUV track-ready. Overall verdict. The 2025 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT is the ultimate high-performance luxury SUV. It combines race car-like performance with everyday practicality, offering a stunning design, premium interior, cutting-edge safety features, and unbeatable driving dynamics. If you want a fast, luxurious, and aggressive SUV that stands out in the crowd, this is it. What do you think about the Cayenne Turbo GT? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MZ Car Club for more exciting car reviews. Would you like any tweaks to match your style?